Sparks fly at GOWE's workshop. Watch our bridge and tunnel formwork welding in action. Skilled technicians focus on every weld joint, ensuring precision at every millimeter. Every spark shapes durability. This is how we build formwork that stands strong for critical infrastructure projects. On site, in progress, always committed to quality. GOWE, your trusted partner for premium construction formwork. Interested? DM us now. GOWE. Together, go further.